Hyperion tech. That core you brought us earlier is nearly burnt up. Why don't you pop it out? Now shove in that new core you found harder than a shiv into a Truxican sternum. Sorry, old Crimson Lance saying. Okay, I think we're in business. What the hell?
Hey, you know, I think it's finally time to tell you that little secret. Angel's working for me.
Lowering Sanctuary's shields, Jack. Executing phase shift.
That's not a power core! Raiders, the shields are down! The shields! Nicely done, Angel. Now, let's kill ourselves some Vault Hunters. What the hell? Did something just get through the shield? Shields down, Roland! Oh man, somebody start getting everybody underground!
Everybody, I've got a really bad idea. Scooter, get Sanctuary in the air. Roland, get me some Iridium.
Pretty sure we can't do that without killing, I don't know, everyone in the city. It ain't ready to fly, Lily.
You got your orders, Scooter! Move!
Meet me in the center of town, now! I'm gonna need your help real bad!
If we cycle the ignition primers, it'll get us somewhere.
Alright, I got this one. All you gotta do is hit the last switch.
Don't worry about me.
I need that Iridium. Get to Roland. Get moving or we're dead.
You only survived our train ride together because I wanted you.
You've got the Iridium. I need it. Get to the center of town.
I've never used this much. You might want to hang on to something.
Sorry, kid. That was an accident. I'll see you on the other side, though, I promise. Hit it, Scooter.
Man, this is one of them moments. Catch a ride!
That's the best you got. A flying city? What get your jumps possibly how that makes you think you've got a chance against me? A siren.
Sup.
I know you're angry at me right now, but we don't have a lot of time. I'll explain everything. Just get to the fridge. It's the only way to reach the Highlands. I detect Lilith might have phased your city there.
I love the way you Vault Hunters just up and trusted Angel. Never occurred to you that she was working for me, did it? I did the same thing to the last 4 Vault Hunters, but I'll be entirely honest. Tricking you guys this time? Way funnier. Hey, thanks for taking the bait and grabbing that power core. It was hard to concentrate on charging the vault key what with Roland's buddies attacking my iridium mines.
You'll be able to reconnect with your friends after you get through the fridge. We are not friends anymore. Son of a witch. The door's iced over. Let me help you with that.